Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best power hand planers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Porter Cable Hand Planer. Porter is an affordable brand that also produces various power tools and equipment. Fortunately, they also have an affordable hand planer. Porter Cable PC60THP has a heavy-duty 6-amp motor that has a 16,500 RPM rating. This much power is good enough for any sort of domestic project. There is a dual-sided dust extraction system that will allow you to remove dust on the opposite side to prevent visual problems while working. There is a mold depth knob that offers depth adjustment settings in 10 different steps. This hand planer has better performance regarding edge chamfering jobs as it has 3 chamfering grooves to get the job done. The maximum depth of cut that can be obtained with Porter Cable PC60THP is up to 5/64 inches, which is standard for hand planers. The material removal rate is pretty good with this planer because of its 0.47-inch maximum rabbet depth. Pros: warranty duration is pretty long. Affordable price tag. Cons: motor capacity could be better. Depth adjustment steps are less. Number 2. Our second best pick is Wen Hand Planer. Wen is a pretty popular power tool brand that has produced many high-rated power tools. They also have an electric hand planer in their lineup. In the second position, we have a great hand planer from Wen. Wen 6534 is a powerful 8-amp hand planer that is capable of cutting 4 3/8 inches cutting capacity. Along with such a high-powered motor, you get a high cutting speed of 32,000 cuts per minute. The cutting depth on Wen 6534 is adjustable on 16 different steps where it can be adjusted from 0 to 1/8 inches. There is a 2-way dust port available on the top of the cutting section that can disperse dust on either the left side or right side, depending upon your preference. It also has a dust adapter that can be used to attach external dust collectors. The cutting is done by 2 high-speed steel reversible planer blades and 2 V-shaped chamfer grooves. Pros: warranty duration is pretty long. High cutting speed. Cons: blade changing is difficult. Dust collection could be better. Number 3. Our third best pick is STANLEY Hand Planer. STANLEY is one of the leading manufacturers of power tools, hand tools, and related accessories. Their hand planer is suitable for crafts, 112-220 makers and all light-duty jobs. It comes with a cast iron base with precision ground sides and bottom, making it durable and capable of withstanding regular wear and tear. It also has epoxy coating to provide resistance from rust or corrosion. As the planer has adjustable depth, cut and alignment, it is suitable for cross-grain planing. The manufacturer provides lifetime warranty on this product. Pros: ready to use. Good quality. Reliable performance. Value for money. Cons: not suitable for heavy-duty tasks. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Makita Hand Planer. Makita is yet another well-known brand in the power tool industry. We have included a hand planer from Makita below. Makita XPK01Z is the best cordless hand planer available in the market right now. It is powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery that is capable of 3 1/4 inches wide and 5/64 inches deep cuts in a single cycle. The cutting mechanism consists of 2-blade cutter's head that has double-edge carbide blades for better performance. Makita XPK01Z weighs only 7.4 pounds. It is significantly lightweight, considering it is a cordless hand planer. Makita XPK01Z has a significant 14,000 RPM rated motor that is designed for faster material removal rates. As for the depth adjustment, there is a quick depth adjustment knob on the top, along with a painted scale for better understanding. You can adjust the depth of cuts within 0 to 5/64 inches range. There is an electric brake on the tool that can be used to stop the blade right after finishing a cycle for better productivity. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is JELLAS Hand Planer. JELLAS is a relatively small brand that specializes in developing premium-grade power tools, hand tools, and pocket knives. The brand's products are known for their innovative designs and robust build quality. JELLAS Hand Planer is powered by a 7.5 amp motor that delivers up to 16,500 RPM and 33,000 cuts per minute. Plus, it is equipped with two double-edged 65 mm carbide blades for providing smooth cuts. With this hand planer, you can cut wood up to 1/8 inch depth for quick and efficient processing of the workpiece. It comes with a reversible dust chute that can be connected to a vacuum cleaner and a dust bag for easy removal of the sawdust. The hand planer features a dual handle design with auxiliary handles for convenient operation. The auxiliary push handle and depth adjustment handle are placed wide apart to prevent unevenness of the board surface if you accidentally slide the adjustment handle. The bottom plate made of mirror-grade aluminum provides high flatness along with high precision. There are 3 chamfered grooves to create angled chamfer along the edges for different woodworking projects. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.